started, everyone. So today we're going to be showing you how to take care of your skin so that it's glowing and healthy all year round, not just during the summer. And we're going to be featuring products from Honey Belle and Beaumore. Honey Belle creates all natural skincare products, which is safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. And Beaumore's beauty supplements is going to help you achieve your healthy glow from within. So the first thing before you start on cleansing and exfoliating your skin is removing your makeup. I like to use a good micellar water. This is from Supple. You can certainly use a cleansing balm, cleansing oil, but just remember to have a really gentle but effective makeup remover so you can get rid of all those impurities. So to get started, I'm going to put this onto a cotton pad, and I'm just using a Japanese cotton pad here. It's very gentle on the skin and it's a good shape. I'm just going to soak the cotton pad here, get it all soaked up, and then I just have a little bit of makeup on. I have a little bit of concealer and dip brow on my eyebrows. So we're going to gently swipe the makeup off and removing all of the concealer. All right, so now that I have all my makeup removed, I'm gonna be moving on to cleansing. I'm gonna be using Tatcha's Rice Polish today. I really like this because there's algae in here, there's rice bran, and there's green tea extract, and that's gonna be really good for soothing any irritated, dry skin. We're gonna be pouring half a teaspoon into our palms, and then from there, we'll be wetting it with some water. So you can see just a little bit of water on here, and we're gonna create a nice, gentle lather. So now we're gonna be rinsing it off, and you can use just lukewarm water, not too cold, not too hot on the skin. So now we're gonna use a clean towel to pat dry on the skin. Remember not to use any excessive motion or tugging on the skin. I like to leave a little bit of moisture just so that it can keep my skin a little bit hydrated as I move on to my next step. So now that we have our skin cleansed and prepped, we're gonna be moving on to one of my favorite parts, and that's gonna be the Honey Belle Do-It-Yourself Detox Mask, and this is in Coconut Rose. Using this a couple times a week is really gonna be good for removing any toxins, fading any hyperpigmentation, and it's also gonna encourage collagen and elastin production. And of course, it's great for moisturizing in the skin. So I have a little bit of here already. And the fun thing about this is you can customize it to use any sort of liquid that you want. Today, we're gonna be using the Honey Belle Rose Water Toner. I really like this because it's gonna help, again, prepare the skin. It's a great liquid to add into it, and rose water is very calming for the skin, especially during winter time. If you're not gonna use a toner in this step, be sure to have a toner ready for after you rinse off the mask. So I'm gonna be adding a couple drops of this into the mask. I'm gonna be using the silicone end of this dual-ended brush. So go ahead and just mix all the clay in with the toner. That way I get a really nice thick paste consistency. So now that I have this mixed up, I'm gonna switch from the silicone end to the face brush. That way I can gently apply it on my face and get it into all the different crevices. All right, so we're gonna let this sit for 20 minutes. That way it does its magic for you. So the next step after you took off your face mask, we're gonna be moving on to the Rejuvenating Facial Oil by Honey Belle. Facial oils are really important during the winter because it's gonna help lock in any moisture that you have. I really like the Honey Belle Elixir Facial Oil. Inside you're gonna find hemp oil, which is really high in fatty omegas. There's also grapefruit oil, which is really good for moisturizing the skin. And also there's basil essential oil in here. So we're gonna shake this up, and we're gonna drop a dime-sized amount onto your palms, and you're gonna wanna use your palms to massage the oil in. This is gonna help warm up the oil before applying it to your face. And the way I like to apply my facial oil is really patting it in. That way it goes deep into your skin, and then using really gentle circular motions to have it absorbed in. Now that you have an even layer of the facial oil on your face, you're gonna wanna use a facial massage tool. I'm using Honey Belle's White Jade Gua Sha. I like the gua sha because I can control the pressure that I'm applying to my skin. And when you're using a gua sha, you can start from the center of your face and gently push your skin upwards. This is gonna help promote blood circulation in the skin. Fun fact, white jade is known for promoting peace, luck, and harmony. Now that I've locked in all the moisture with the facial oil, you're gonna wanna move on to moisturizer. Now, because this is part of my winter skincare routine, I'm gonna skip my regular moisturizer and move on to my Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. This is a really thick, luxurious cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply just on my forehead, my cheeks, and my chin, and also a little bit on my neck. You don't want to forget the neck area too. And depending on how thick you want your cream to be, you can use a lot more, but I just want a thin layer. This one I'm gonna leave on overnight and I'm gonna wash off in the morning. Last but not least, I'm gonna be drinking 1 bottle of Beaumore's Collagen Beauty Drink. Now this has tons of marine collagen in there, over 20 grams. There's vitamin C, a vitamin B complex, and there's also hyaluronic acid. All of these ingredients are gonna work together to help keep my skin healthy and hydrated from the inside out this winter. What I like to do is keep a couple of these bottles in the fridge, that way it's chilled and tasty, and then twice a week I'm gonna take it out, shake it up, and drink the entire bottle. And for finishing touches, I'm gonna be using Honey Belle's Kissful Lips. This smells amazing, very relaxing. And that's a wrap for our skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to take care of your skin this winter on so that you can stay glowing all year round. If you guys have any questions or interested in any of the products that I mentioned today, go ahead and check out the description or reach out to Honey Belle Shop or Beaumore Global on Instagram. Stay glowing.